What's going on, guys? Three Wheels on the Block. Welcome back to the Daily Driver Digest. We got the Buick Regal. We're going to be working on the interior. This is the interior of my 2013 Buick Regal GS. And there are a few things that I'm not too keen about. Before I go any further, I absolutely love this car. There are so many things I love about this car. We'll talk about that in another video. But in this video, we're going to be covering up this piano black that is all over the place. A little too much black in the interior. So I got black seats, black door cards. I love the silver on the doors. This car's silver, so that's a nice touch. I believe the other GS's and other Regals also have this same feature. But I do like that, and I'd like to bring something else in here to replace or cover up all of this black. So I got on Aliexpress and ordered a kit. You can get this kit on eBay as well. You can also just get regular vinyl and cut all your pieces. I decided to go with the kit because I really don't have time to go in and cut out every single one of these by hand and overlay. As you all know, I stay very busy with a growing family, full-time job, and also doing this YouTube stuff. So anyway, I figured I'd bring you along to see how the installation of the Aliexpress custom cut vinyl kit, and I went with a carbon fiber look, installs in a Buick Regal. This applies to the 2008 through 2013 model. The 2014 to 2017 facelift version is slightly different inside, but I'm sure the application process is nearly the same. This install is pretty simple. You'll want some cleaning cloths and some isopropyl alcohol. This is the same thing that I use whenever I'm doing any vinyl, so it's really all you need if your stuff's pre-cut. And if they're not pre-cut, you want to throw in or use something like this. These are some razor blades that you can just snap the end of the blade off of. That way, when your end gets dull, just snap it off. You have a nice sharp edge. There are various types of these, various different angles, but something like that will get you what you need. So you'll take your microfiber and your rubbing alcohol, rub all your surfaces down where you're going to be applying the vinyl. Get your surface nice and clean. Too sure how forgiving this vinyl is, so taking my time placing it to make sure I can get it back up if I need to. I'm going to go ahead and tell you the cutting or the pre-cut size is okay. There's still some stretching you'll need to do to get the vinyl to cooperate and lay where you want it to lay at, where it ideally should lay at. So just be prepared for that. As you can see, I keep pulling it up to reapply it, and that's because I'm trying to conform it to the shape of the door card trim piece. So lays in here nice and even, and hopefully can hide the majority of the factory card. Now, if you get in here real close, you'll see that the vinyl is a little short between here and the top. So I'm going to lay the top portion in, and this bottom portion fits really well back here. You can see the overlap, so you'll be able to tuck it in real well. It's kind of short up here. So I'll massage it a little bit to get it to fit as clean as possible. I think I'm gonna have to add some heat at the bottom to get this to cooperate. comes on. Looks okay. The fitment again is just so-so. It's not perfect by any means. If you are very particular, you'll probably want to cut your own vinyl. I'm going to throw some heat up here at the top. See if I can get this to lay in any better. I did smooth out some of the wrinkles. You can see it's still kind of lifting in places. So I really think that's more the quality of the vinyl than the actual cut of the vinyl. So we will give that a little bit of time, see if that gets better or worse. Got the GS badge trimmed out. Wasn't too bad. Just take your razor knife, go nice and slow across the top. If you don't have a GS or don't have anything there, you don't have anything to worry about. So I had a couple minutes. We're gonna go ahead and put this piece down here around the shift bezel. This wraps up the vinyl install for the interior of the Regal. I think it came out pretty decent. I apologize for the lighting. Working inside the garage because it's 100 degrees outside today. I decided not to do the center stack. There's a vinyl that goes around the radio down at the bottom and also up here at the top. I decided not to do that. Also didn't use the automatic vinyl cover piece because I've got a manual. That's the door card. This is the one that I previously wrapped. So not exactly the same. I think that's a carbon fiber. That's the, I think the normal carbon fiber, and this is that 70 stuff from eBay. I did that early on because this piece was peeling up real bad. So anyway, so I covered that up. Alright, so that wraps up the vinyl install for the Buick Regal GS. Hope you like this video. Hope you found it helpful. My opinion on this vinyl is it is okay. It's not super great, but it's okay. We'll see how it holds up in the heat and the cold. I'll do another follow-up video to let you know how well this stuff's holding up. I did go ahead and do the rear doors as well. And they came out again just okay. You can see the little imperfections here where the vinyl is not laying down or tucking very well. I had some more heat and see if I can get that to stay down. It's down right now. And you can see the recess where the window switch is installed. So that wasn't pre-cut or cut out. You can go back with the knife if you want to cut that in. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time. Oh yeah, there'll be a video about this thing coming out too.